This shit feeling good. Faithful House and Mommy's vlogs, Faithful House and Mommy's vlogs, Faithful House and Mommy's vlogs.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, y'all. So today I am unboxing a package. I am collaborating with an amazing company that is called Urboro Domo. They reached out to me to do this collaboration on this amazing chair. Okay, so we're gonna get right into all the details and all that good stuff. And before we do, hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe. So if y'all came back to see another video, I appreciate the love and support. Welcome, welcome, and welcome again. So let's get into this video, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get into this unboxing, this video. I do have to put the chair together, so I'm gonna try my best. I got all my tools, okay? So it looks real easy, but we're gonna get into it, y'all. So I know this chair is great if you're having lumbar strain. It's great for back support. And you know your girl be having pain in her back. Like I be having some pains in my back. I be going through it. So luckily, this chair is to do me some justice, okay? So I know it's great for for any lumbar support. It's great for your neck. So we're gonna see when I put it together if it's great for my back. And I'm just hearing so many great things about it, okay? So we're gonna put it together and I'm gonna give them my honest opinion. This is only my opinion. And I'm gonna see how true the reviews was, okay? You can go to my link, go to the description. This chair is sold on Amazon. It is $200. If you go to my link, you can order this chair. So if you're a person that's having bad back pain, say if you had a slip and fall, if you had a car accident, any kind of back injury, this chair is for you, okay? If you fell down the steps, this chair is for you. If you fell and you couldn't get back up,
I've fallen and I can't get up.
This chair is definitely for you, honey. So let me put it together. Let me work my magic. And see if this chair is all what it says it is. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just gathering up everything that I need. It came with some gloves here. It also came with a pack of nails, different sizes. It also have all the pieces to the chair, so I kind of laid them all out so I can see which way I'm going to go. Y'all know I don't like putting stuff together. That's the headrest. Okay, I know that's the headrest. Okay, and then that's the part for the back. So let's get into it, y'all.
Faithful House and Mommy's vlogs, Faithful House and Mommy's vlogs, Faithful House and Mommy.
You ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old hope it's fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime.
Okay guys, the chair is done. We got it set up. Of course I needed some helping hands. Don't judge me, because y'all already know I don't like putting stuff together. But anyway, it wasn't too bad. Alright, so my son is going to show you guys the details and everything in regards to the chair. This is our opinion, so let's get into all the details. So Kemar is going to demonstrate and show you everything about the chair. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to show you how the back support goes. Kemar, show them how you can adjust the back part. And this is great for your back, guys. Check the back out, y'all, of this chair. This is really great support. It's really padded. And it's really nice. You can use this for a desk chair, a gaming chair, office chair, whatever you would like to use it for. This is the bottom of the chair. And then it has like a headrest. Also, this is the neck support. I like that it adjusts up for support and it goes up and down for the neck support for the back. That is really, really great. How does that feel, Kemar? Lay your head back.
Feel good.
Okay, so you can adjust the neck support. I really, really like that about it. You can bring this up and down for more support, guys. So is it comfortable, the head part, when you lay your head back? Let me see you lay your head back. Is it comfortable? Okay, so are you comfortable?
Yeah, I like it.
Now, would you rate it a 10?
Yeah, I really like the 10.
Okay, so it's real comfortable, right?
We're comfortable.
Okay, and he's just swinging back all in the chair. He looked like he about to go to sleep, y'all. So I think Kemar loves this chair, y'all. I might let him rock with it out in his room. Okay, I may let him rock it with like a gaming chair. I may let him rock it out with a gaming chair. You want this chair to rock out like a gaming chair? Mm-hmm. You gonna go to sleep in it?
Go sleep.
Okay, y'all, so we're gonna rate this a 10, y'all. We love this chair. We love the support. And you can get this off of Amazon. You can get this chair off of Amazon. The link is in my description. This chair goes for $200. And check the link out. Comment, like, and subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for rocking with us. Thank you for watching these videos. We love y'all so much. We're gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace out. Bye.